I just want to share, okay, because I already shared on a few sessions. So this one is about my son. You know, he always has this bubble rash at the back of his neck. So like no matter what ointment he used or whatever, you know, it never kind of soft. You know, the itch is always there. You know, and the skin is, you know, bumpy and scaly. So I told him, I said, you try this water. Actually, he's very doubtful about this terahertz water. He, you know, being very, you know, in his early 30s, so he doesn't believe in this miracle water. So I said, no harm. You drink the water, you spray, try it on your neck. So I sent the water to him last Wednesday. So yesterday we had Christmas dinner together. So my daughter-in-law actually said, Mom, can you bring more of the water? Because it helps him. That is after 1 week. So yesterday I checked his neck. The, you know, the scaly stuff is gone and the thing has like dried up. So I said, you continue to spray and, you know, you will get improvement. So I'm happy that he actually, you know, spray on the neck and get the desired results. But for my daughter-in-law, she has this rash on the upper lip, you know, around the mouth, you know, that is after giving birth to the daughter 4 years ago. The allergy or whatever started, you know, appearing. So then I said, you use it and see how, but she said, no. After she used it, the inflammation became worse. So she stopped using the water. I don't know why. Wonder whether Dr. Prabhu can advise.
Yes, June, very beautifully you put it across that your the son, they don't believe in it, right? This particular belief system, let me tell you, in my 32 years of my medical practice, I have heard enough of this nonsense. Every time they will say, I don't believe this, I don't believe that, I have no problem. Let me tell you something. What you believe need not be true, but what is true, you have to believe. Can you understand? What you believe need not be true, but what is true, you have to believe in it. But the problem here is all the belief system we all have, be it from our religious faith to the belief system of healing ourselves, we don't have much knowledge. Now, it's not the belief which is going to help the person. If you ask me, I have no issues in going and trying. I will take the risk, I will drink, I will try, I will do what I need to do, and then ultimately I will check it out. It is my responsibility because it's my body. I want to check it out. I have no problem. But I do go read about it. I would go and, pick a lot of information. Can you believe in this 15, 20 years, the amount of money I have, I wouldn't say wasted, I've spent on finding out what is the truth, what is really good. For just water alone, I've spent a lot of money on checking out what is so good about water. But let me tell you, water has a fantastic healing properties. There are a lot of good benefits out there. But as I told you, people can be allergic to even allergic medicines like Zitrec, and I already shared even prednisolone, which is supposed to be anti-allergic, people are allergic to it. So we do not know. Now, coming back to your daughter-in-law whose lips was swollen, let me tell you, after giving birth, there is a lot of hormonal imbalance to the person. Now, when there is a hormonal imbalance, definitely it affects the liver as well. When it affects the liver, the detox mechanism is at a lower frequency of working. Now, of course, when you are giving this water, it's trying to push the thing out. The toxins are being pushed out. So automatically it has to show you somewhere that there is some reaction. But at the end of the day, what will happen is, for the person, it is very uneasy. You know, of course, you spray the water and it becomes more, what you will think, oh, everything is increased. That's the reason. But there are a lot of subtle changes in the body, which is being there for a very long time, and that is what is manifesting. So here what I would request every one of you is, if you have any complicated situation, even after childbirth, it is a situation where the body is going through some kind of changes which it wants to become normal. But in that time when there is some problem happening, what to do? We have to give you some steroids, we have to give you some antihistamine, maybe we'll give you some steroid cream as well, but that's not going to help you. But water will definitely help you to prevent the further damages because of the allergic situation. It will definitely help you. So what I would say is, let's all give it a try in a little manner so that you will be able to assist your body. But if already an existing situation is there, we are scared in that situation that it is increasing, but your body is trying to do something so that it wants to get back to normal. That's the reason your body is trying to show up. It is responding or it can be reacting. But reacting is something wherein you need to understand that it is quite sometimes very painful, sometimes not easy. It is a reaction. But if it is a response, there will be a slight inflammation which you are tolerable, you will be able to handle it. So if worse come worse, take one antihistamine, it will help you to reduce your edema. And locally, if it is really a problem, use our allopathic creams can be used for a day or 2 or 3 4 days. Other than that, there is nothing much to worry about there.
What about aloe vera gel? Would it help?
Aloe vera gel, yeah, frankly speaking, there are a lot of natural products available there, because I do not have much of information about each of those properties of, but I do know that aloe vera gel can assist on the skin area. So do give it a try. There's nothing wrong in it.
Okay, I have another thing to share, because you talk about pets, right? Animals.
Yes.
I have 3 cats at home. So ever since I bought the device, I of course switch, whatever I drink, I want to give it to them also. So it's like now they drink more water. Cats are known to drink very little water. But now they are like drinking a lot of water. So whatever I put there, they finish very fast.
Yes.
And I think that is a very good sign, because then they are hydrated. Because
Correct.
other than that, they drink very little water. You can put like one big bowl there and they drink very little. But now whatever I put there, but I don't give it the whole bowl, because it's like sometimes because of contamination. So I only give like half a bowl. But they finish it overnight. Then I will replenish with new one again.
Now here, June, can you see the naturally they know how much to drink water. They know. They will never overhydrate themselves. This is the beauty of these animals. They will never overhydrate. They know the limitation. Only we human beings don't know the limitation. That's the problem most of the time we face.
Yeah, correct. That's why I don't put a lot, you see. So just make sure that it's enough for them to drink, because otherwise it will be a waste of the water.
True. Angie, I wish to thank this beautiful soul by name Ravi Upamanyu. He's from Australia. This person from Australia, my very good friend, and he's down here. Thank you very much, Ravi, for joining us on this sharing. Thank you very much.
Oh, okay, Ravi.
Ravi from Australia.
Australia. Oh, great. So there is a check. Susan. Yeah, something about the flu. My friend, they just spray out 10 days at the nose area. Then it improved. Yeah. So I believe if it's not, for those that drinking the water but still don't see any effect, so most probably is your body lack of some vitamin or some nutrients. What you can do, for example, if it's allergic, you can try the propolis or any increase the immune system product. Yeah, is to then when you take this supplement or the nutrient product, right, it will have a better absorption rate when it mix with the water. Yeah. Yeah. So this is well proven in my friends surrounding me. So when they have drinking this water already, but still don't see a very significant, or maybe there is some healing effect happen, and they cannot stand with this healing effect, so they have to supplement with the nutrient product. And when I recommend them to a local doctor using this one natural ingredient, and it plus this water, the effect is good, and they see the improvement. But the other person that is taking the product but without this water, then you don't see the effect very very well. So the water is very good to complement whatever health product that you're taking. Yeah. So when in fact when you melt inside, like I have done an experiment, Yeah, this is I can show to you that the experiment that I did now. When you melt with the peptide, it can be okay. So I share with you some testimonial that I agree again. So this is my friend. Everyone can see my screen. This is in my team, Maypong. Yeah, she actually has a lump here. This picture was taken on 2018 compared to the October 2020. So it's without any beauty camera. So complexion wise, you can see very good improvement. In fact, she has many problems. Sore throat the whole 24 hours in a year, and there is a lump in the neck area, the thyroid lump. It increased to 4 cm from 2 cm, and then supposed to go for operation. And then doctor, due to COVID, the doctor delayed the appointment, and just drinking terahertz water, she didn't take any other supplement. It reduced the lump to 2 cm. So when she went to see a doctor, the same doctor, doctor was surprised as well, and then don't need to go for the operation. Then we'll review it after 1 year. Yeah, so it's very good news. And the sore throat, she has tried the MRI, the review, the scope review, all cannot find the root cause. But just drinking water, and it resolved the problem. And she had the sinus with a flu, and also only 10 days spraying. Yeah, and not only she benefited it, her husband has this one 鼻窦炎 yeah, also benefited. Yeah, recently she does share in a Chinese. Yeah, tomorrow during my Chinese session, I try to invite her to share again. So this is on my son's problem, the skin issue. Yeah. For those have eczema or the skin sensitive issue, first thing, during shower, don't use hot water. Yeah, it's too hot water, it will remove away all the this one on your body. So I control him so not to use very hot water, and then just drink the terahertz water. It improves. In fact, when he drink the hydrogen water, it will help as well. The problem is when you stop the hydrogen water, this problem will come back. So in the long run, I replace it with the terahertz water, which is benefited the whole family instead of he himself. So this is my report. I have inherited high cholesterol. So all the while is at the marginal, and I don't take medicine because medicine is a drug. This is what I feel. So I take the supplement, and this supplement is target on cholesterol. But surprisingly, for 6 months after I consume it, in the March this year, I went for the blood checkup. It still overshoot the spec. So I was stuck. That time I haven't bought the terahertz water device because I get to know it in January, but I didn't buy. Same like you all, I don't believe. Maybe I can say I didn't really go and understand. But in the March, I start to see some effect from my friends. The bald hair become growing some hair. So, and at this moment, when I see my condition is my blood is very thick, so I start to using the same supplement, using the same water filter. My house using the alkaline Korean brand water filter. I just add on the 3 minutes terahertz. In the 3 months time, yeah, the cholesterol dropped to 185 healthy range, and my blood is stuff. You can see the color is different already. So from here, of course, if you control the diet, like eat the brown rice, olive oil in the cooking, then you see the result even faster. And this is the experiment that I did. This is can see, right?
孔明要写的时候，那孔明要这边写下去的。我们要问他，不用的是就直接问他。
Can you mute your mic? Can you all mute your mic? Thank you. Yeah. So from here, the blood, at first when they did one blood, it's all joined together. So you can see is very scary, and end up this platelet is like a stone. So this is the reason that it cause the stroke or the capillary burst, which happened in my parents. My father died because of second time stroke. So for those having a stroke, there's still a chance to recover. But it took second time, third time, that is too bad. So what first thing that we need to do if we seeing the blood is very like this, drink more water, terahertz water. So what you can see, this picture on the right, I just drink a 1 liter terahertz water in a 20 minutes time, and look at the blood again. It start to hydrated, is rejuvenated, and then is not stick together. So this is the reason why just now I mentioned my cholesterol is dropped to a normal, and the blood color is also looks good because now the blood is full of oxygen and can flow well. Then if have this kind of previously the thick blood, what doctor will advise you to is to take the blood thinning medicine. So it's up to you. You want to take the medicine or drink just a natural way, drink the water. By taking the medicine, it cure your blood, but it will cause another problem, your kidney problem. So this is the reason why yeah, I will choose the water. And another video that I can share with you guys is this morning I get to know. Let's listen to this video. It's very interesting.
Hi, good morning. My name is Angel, and I'm a therapist since last year November. And I have yet to thank the person who introduced this wonderful product to me. Thank you, Frankie. Very nice guy, very obliging. Actually, I benefited a lot from this product, but I can't share to you all at one time. And but I will go to share you something that has made a lot of difference. Because this problem, I really have it since I was very young. I don't know whether you know of that problem. Because since very young, I was born very sick. That's why I have a lot of problems. And the most severe one is the immune system. I have an autoimmune problems, okay? Problems with my skin, and the problems with my gut. So what happened is, with the political problem, there are a lot of things that you cannot eat, especially gluten. So flour things I can't, like bread, pastas, and noodles and all that. So I really have to really watch my diet very carefully. So otherwise, I got lots and lots of problems. Okay, so I remember the day he gave a few 5 liters bottle. So I tried it immediately. And you know what happened? That morning, I really go to the toilet a few times. It was very loose stool and like a diarrhea, but I was okay. I don't feel tired, or anything. But I just feel that water just keep on coming out. But I just try, to drink a lot. I remember the time was about 2 to 3 liters of water. So it has been going on for about 3 weeks. So I did ask one of my friends, lady, Jessica. I said, Jessica, I'm having this problem for 3 weeks, and I think, I don't know whether it's good for me, and I don't know I should carry on or not. And then she told me that don't worry, just drink. It should be okay. So then I saw a video of her sharing, and another lady sharing to me. And then that lady said she has been drinking 5 liters of water for her problem. So to me, 3 liters I think should be okay, because we all heard of people telling that you can't drink a lot of water. We have heard people dying from drinking too much water, right? So I was a little bit scared, Then I said, oh, she's 5 liters. She's still okay. So I must have add, I just keep on drinking about 3, sometimes about 4 liters, So just keep on like that, And you know what? My stomach, all the gases, the bloatiness is oh, the company gone, you know. Suddenly I can sit on a low stool. Normally I wash my clothes, and it's so difficult to breathe, you know. I have to just sit up and breathe again before I wash. But now it's okay now, I'm totally okay. Very, very easy for me now. Okay, this one of my problems is solved. And I've been taking a lot of this probiotics and enzymes. It costs a lot of money. And I've gone to see doctors, traditional Chinese medicine. So these doctors, they want to be a very strict diet, but because I didn't follow the diet, I'm not sure if you know, they need to so want to do watch your diet, it's not too stress, get worse. So each time you constantly trying to do something, it's quite expensive, you know. So now I really save a lot of money. I use less supplements, so I will save a lot of money. That is the biggest problem that I need to solve. Okay. So the next one will be my hair. Not just in simple, right? We can dye over there. The last time I got it done was in January, right? So now it's almost about how many months a week, 5 months, 5 months a week. So my hair is still okay now, you know. So no big dye yet. So now you can see that, you know, after drinking, a lot of people can notice that, you know, their hair will turn black. Especially easy for men to see because women very long hair. It's very difficult for the spray. So that, okay, for men it's very easy. So all you have to do is keep spraying, okay, at the places that you want. You have to keep that and keep drinking lots of it. It doesn't matter, you know, how much you can drink, because the more you drink, the more thirsty you become. Initially, just like feeling now, okay? So you just keep on drinking, contribute a lot of improvements to your health. Okay? Thank you.
So there's another one. Yeah. Because this lady benefit a lot from the terahertz water.
Hi, I'm Kenny
So
Wong.
she recorded another video.
In my last video, I shared about my leaky gut problem, which has been solved. Yeah, I forgot to mention that I save a lot of money. I don't need to buy any more probiotics and enzymes. I used to take a lot. So now it's just drinking the water. So the next thing I want to share with you is my skin. It's very dry on my arms, on the back of my hand, until it's so dry and wrinkled that, you know, I don't dare to show people my hand. And I did went to my beautician. I asked her, is there anything that you can do for me on my palm, the back of my hand? And she told me, you know, there's a procedure, the way you cut at the sides, you know, both hands at the sides, you cut it and then you pull the skin and you got to stitch it. She showed me how it is done, but of course I won't do it now. Okay, and then the neck area, actually somebody told me when I was in the insurance line, one day my client is a man, and he asked me, Miss Wong, how old are you? So I told him I'm about 38. And he told me that your face is okay, but your neck is a bit dry, you know, it's so wrinkled, and makes you look so old. And also my son did point out to me one day, he said, Mom, why is your neck so wrinkled? You see, of course I don't have before photos, I didn't know that, you know, really the work that would, you see. So imagine if a man telling you this problem, that means it's got to be very, very bad. So what I did was I just spray every morning after, you know, washing my face, and evening also after washing, then you spray. Even during the daytime, you know, if you have the time, you just spray on it. The eyes, all over the hands, at the back of the hand, especially my neck. I used to do it very, very often. And my eyes also, the whole face, you spray. So now you see so much less of it, the wrinkles. So much less. I'm so happy about it. So my husband noticed, but maybe we thought, you know, we could do nothing about it. So I'm so happy that this, just by spraying this water alone, can give you such a good effect. Okay, the next thing is my eyes. You see, my eyes is so dry. I'm sure, I don't know whether you've heard of dry eye, dry mouth syndrome. I have this problem since a long time ago. So my case was so severe, my eyes are so dry. So when I go into an aircon room, or have the fan blowing on my face, my eyes will begin to tear, just streaming down like this. And my mouth, if I speak too long, and the fan especially blowing at me, so my mouth will get like stuck, you know, I can't talk properly. this is a very, very serious problem. Now it's so much better. No more. Because each time when I go into my bedroom and aircon is switched on, I will have tears rolling down my pillow. So totally gone. And one more thing is, if I turn my eye too quickly, from left to right, I turn too quickly my eyes, I got a little pain. I don't know what it is called, but I just get the pain. It's been a long time already. Again, now also gone. One very good thing, I normally have what do you call that? Capillaries, small little capillaries. And when I had my eye problem, I went to see a doctor. So he gave me just eye drops.
Okay, so sorry, is it no voice? I think maybe it's too small, cannot hear. Oh, okay. So maybe we open here. Anybody have anything to share?
About my leaky gut problem, which has been solved. Yeah.
So this lady actually is talking about her some immune system problem since young. So it's called what? Cricket problem. So I also don't understand what is that. But it seems that it helped her a lot. Not only the hair, her skin, and her eyes. She spray on her eyes. She has a dry eyes and also dry mouth. So all this water, terahertz water, help a lot in to moisturize her hair, her mouth, her eyes as well. Oh, okay. Kenman, you're around. You want to share your story? Yeah, you can unmute your mic. So one moment, I unmute for you. Yes, now you can unmute your mic, Kenman.
Hello.
Hey.
Yes. Okay. Very good morning to everybody. I just was very happy want to share reasoning what happened to my husband.
I don't need to buy anymore.
My husband is a dialysis patient. I remember the last Zoom online, I think couple Zoom ago, I'm advised by some of my friends, some of the people over there, and my husband can increase the water intake. And this water intake is from 2 liter to 2.5 liters. It's in trying for about 2 months, 1 month plus ago. And then very happy to share is currently his everything is okay reading. And another, I practice the water used for cooking daily life. In fact, is I work pay with the dietary from the hospitals, and after that, I feel that my husband's immune system is shooting up, and of course, I wish to thanks Professor Dr. Tang's his advice to consult some of his advice lah. And then it's recently happened to my husband office. his very close contacts, colleagues is a COVID-19 patients confirmed positive, and this colleague is just sitting next table to my husband only. For everybody lah, we know the dialysis patient, their immune system is very down, and the is very high risk infected people. And in fact, my husband whole branch is working in the bank. His whole branch is called down for cleaning, and all the 70 over colleagues is go for the COVID-19 test. And it's very luckily my husband result is negative, because I believe that his immune system is bring up. And we also sharing our water to others friends. Also, they having COVID-19 negative. I don't know whether this is help or not, but we practice it in the very harsh time right now. Hopefully, this information bring out is if they have the medical device, this one we call it what water device, and you can practice it to use for your cooking, and use for your cooking daily life, to which is I believe that it will bring more nutrients into your by this water, and bring more nutrients in entering of our cell and push out the immune system. Have to prepare this daily life. And if let's say people are planning to purchase this device, I really strongly recommend it to each. Of course, the cooking's way you have to use glasses is better. I practice all this in my classes, and I play, and I also work as a voluntary in the TCM shop. So I learned from there also how to boost out the immune system by practice intake of the food also. Maybe this information will help everybody on the line here, and hopes my sharing is helping also lah. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you so much, Cameron. Your name is Cameron.
Oh yes, I'm Cameron.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much about this COVID. I think it's true. It's true. There is someone also feedback from Malaysia. In a shop, 5 of them, 4 was infected with the COVID, and 1 is without. So the only one, because he was drinking the terrace water. So I believe it's true. When you have a good water, your cell is full of energy, and it can have a better immune system. Yeah. Well, thank you so much. So anybody want to?
Yes. Good morning, everyone.
Yes.
I have 2 questions here. The first is, can we boil this terahertz water? And the second one is, what is the best pH of our drinking water? Thank you.
What is the best pH? Okay. In fact, you can boil the water after you resonate the 3 minutes. And this water, it can be stored for, we have an experiment done 2 months, because we used to have a charity give away the water. And it can last 2 months and still no problem, still have effect. And we have done an experiment up to 8 months. The lemon experiment is still very effective. So you can boil it. So what we suggest is, after you resonate, you boil it, and what you can store your hot water, right, in the so-called the mercury lid, glass lid inside, not the stainless steel or the metallic container. The reason why is we don't know the metallic container, the quality. So it advised to be stored in a glass lid inside. Outside it looks like plastic, the thermos. Then the pH is actually from the filter. The terrace device is just never touch your water, so it will not change your pH. Whatever pH is from your filter. For example, my house is using the alkaline filter, right? So even the filter that is given out free in the package, right, by company, the pH is around 8.1. It's mild alkaline, so it's good. Yeah. So even though you are taking 7 point something, is still okay. Still okay. The key things for this terahertz is after shining 3 minutes, the resonance they call, is to make your molecule, water molecule, become small and in a linear mode. This is a reason why when you drink, it's very smooth, and the lemon or all the taste of the wine after you resonate the wine, or after you resonate the lemon, the taste also will a bit change and become smooth. Yeah, so you can try. So the beauty of this device is it can resonate any liquid, not only the drinking water, any liquid. So for beauty line, they can resonate their ampules, their toner, as long as a liquid. You can soak inside the terahertz water, because the energy, it can penetrate the glass and treat the molecule. Yeah. And I answer your question.
Thank you. Thank you.
More than that. So for VJ, VJ, can you have any question? So if you want to know the price, or actually the price is Sing dollars 1,006, ringgit is 4,500. Is a reasonable and affordable price in the market if you compare to other filter. So the good consists of 3 things. There are 3 things in the package: the filter, the jug, and the resonant device. So this device is portable. You can bring along even when you are overseas, if you listen to the news recently, even though the water that we bought, it may not clean as well. There are some bacteria if you watch the news. So to be safe, when you are in overseas, you bought the mineral water, for example, you can resonate the water using the terahertz device. To shine on it 3 minutes, it will kill the material, kill the bacteria, and also the water molecule become linear, which will energize our body cell.
Angie, may I ask a question?
Yes.
Okay, when we are permitted to travel, when COVID is over, so when you say you bring this along, so going through the what I call that, the customs, right? There will be scanning of your belongings, everything. So of course, definitely they will also scan. Would that damage the device?
Okay, you hand carry. Yeah.
Hand carry also, they will scan your bag,
Yeah, no problem, no problem. It will not destroy anything on your device, because
Okay.
yeah, we have people travel around. George travel around bringing the device across the country also, and it's still functional well and can bring into the flight.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I have a few questions, Angie.
Yes.
Okay. First question. Just now you mentioned about when you buy the kit, it comes with this alkaline filter.
Yes.
Normally we get alkaline water by buying quite expensive device where the process is through electrolysis. So I'm a little bit curious to know how good is this alkaline filter, and how often we have to change this filter. By the way, I have not bought the machine. I'm just using the water at the moment.
Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe I share with you my screen to show you the. You can read Chinese.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Let's share screen. So I can share with you how it looks like. Sorry. So I save my things in the Google Drive. So just now I mentioned about the alkaline. This is the report that we test in Singapore using the water from the company's filter plus the 3 minutes terahertz resonation is 8.1 the pH. So in fact the pH is from the filter itself. Later I show you. And from here the residue of the chlorine is only 0.6. So it's quite low, and other mineral is still maintained. So E. coli is almost done. So this is the one thing. Is the second test from our Singapore, and this is the experiment. Okay, maybe I show you. This is the device, the filter given by the company. It's free, or if you want to buy also can. We can use our account, the product point to buy. Only 50 point can buy this device, around 80 Singapore dollar, and it's written in Chinese. 0.1 the silicon, very small. So even in Singapore, the water is so-called very clean. In a 1 week time is already yellow, dirty. So here shows the alkaline. Number 2. Number 2 is the alkaline, 碱性球. So there are 8 layers. That's why when you test out, it's 8.1 alkaline.
So how often you have to change the filter?
It depends on your where you are. Once it's dirty already, you can wash. You can wash. You spray on it using the jet spray.
No, what I mean is, how do you know it's time to change? Is it
It's
by
visible.
color?
It's visible. You can see it. Okay. So this filter not only filter away the metallic, the rust, the soil, the algae. There is also kill some material. That you can see. Yeah. But
Okay,
if your house, where is your house?
Kuala Lumpur.
Yeah, it depends on your water quality and your area. It is still very, I think in Malaysia 3 days. Because my sister is in Vietnam. This one is visible. What you can do later on, you wash until cannot wash already. There is a sandpaper behind. But of course, the first priority, use a jet spray. Because when you use sandpaper, it will change the size. It will become small. So the last choice is use a sandpaper. Then if until very dirty cannot use it, you can change the filter only. 5 pieces only 50 points. Yeah. So you don't have to take out any money. Just use the account. So when you purchase one set, right, it consists of 3 things: this filter and a jug, also the jug and the terrace device. So these 3 things, company will give you one account, which will give you the income. So this is one of the George income.
Is there a particular reason that this company is adding the alkaline portion to this kit? Why can't we just go straight for this Tetra water?
You can. So whatever filter that you are using at home, you can use it, and you just add on the 3 minutes. Device, resonant device. So you don't have to use a filter given.
Okay, my second question. Normally, I mean, over the years, when we drink water, we roughly look at our body weight, and then we decide what is the maximum of water we are supposed to take. Now, this, of course, not everybody believe in it, but in general, most of the people are doing that. So in your case, this terahertz water, just now I did hear Dr. Prabhu said that start off with 500 cc and then slowly increasing the amount. But is there a maximum amount irrespective of how heavy you are?
No, actually the weight calculation, that one is a minimum. So it may not true for everybody. So what I want to say, if you drink the normal water, yes, because the molecule is in cluster, is a big. So that's why doctor advised us not to drink too much water, especially for kidney patients, right? Because the water molecule is big in a cluster, cannot be absorbed by the cell. So it's outside the cell, it become a burden. But when it after shine with 3 minutes, it's terahertz water, the water molecule is 2 nanometer. So in fact, company has a report shows the 2 nanometer. So when you drink, it directly go inside your body cell already, absorb already. So from here, if you are a healthy person, 3 liter. Actually, I don't really go and count. I just replace all my water with the terrace water, and it's fine. But if you are sick, like some condition, then maybe you have to add on the water. For example, this gentleman, he reduced weight a lot, so he may need more water to flush out all the fat. Yeah, he reduced 10 kg. And this gentleman also shared with us that he was got dengue, but very good report. The platelet never dropped because he is drinking around 5 liter terrace water. He
Wow.
drank 5 liters. You see, slim down already, still 5 liters, and the immune system maintained. So
That's a lot of water.
Depends on the individual. Some people like to drink a lot of water. Some people cannot drink, like old men cannot drink a lot. Doesn't matter. If those cannot drink a lot of water, slowly start from 500 and increase slowly when you feel comfortable, not to have any stress.
But of course, if your body cannot absorb all the water you take, then of course it will be a burden. You have to keep running to the toilet.
Yes. Oh,
But
go
the
to
more
the
you
toilet
drink-
doesn't mean that it didn't absorb. Yeah. One thing you have to remember, because when you drink, some people very beginning always run toilet because flush away all your.
You mean the detox?
Yes, correct.
So how do you know? How do you know you are over drinking?
So you have to monitor your body reaction. Sorry, I mute somebody else. Again.
Okay. I have one more question. Okay. I was told those people having pacemaker are advised not to take this water. Is that right?
Yes. From
Okay, please.
point of
So
view,
question.
they were
Question
advised
is,
because you know why? First of all, you must understand why first. Why they say don't take.
not sure.
Why they say don't take. But when you understand already, then you further analyze. This water is just change the water molecule to small molecule. Better absorption by the body cell. Okay. In fact, my neighbor has a pacemaker, the battery in the heart. He was born with a weak heart. So one time pain and stop breathing for 1 day, but luckily still alive. But had to have installed the battery, and then because of cannot drink so much water, must restrict for the normal water. His hand become very dry. His constipation become very serious. So when your body cell lack of water, it will cause other organs start to have problem. So so this thing, and then blood his blood also become very thick already because lack of water. So of course, if you drink normal water, it's clustered. If you don't drink water, it will cause other problem. What should you do? So what we do, the terahertz, is to make your water molecule cluster become small, so that when even though you drink a small quantity of water, it quickly being absorbed by your body cell, and it will avoid other problem. The only reason people scared that, maybe the pacemaker, when they drink, the blood already circulation become normal, and this battery is actually to help your heart to regulate, to pump, correct? But when your blood already normal, it may become faster. So all this, if he's willing to try, you can try and then monitor your body.
So sorry, I still haven't caught the reason why you said pacemaker people not allowed to take this water.
In fact, is can take if he is willing to take.
No,
Just
don't overdo it, you mean?
Yes. It didn't say that cannot take, but from some people they say they worry that if something happened to that person, it will be blame this water. What you mean?
Oh, okay.
You can understand now. For example,
Okay.
those cancer patient is already end stage. People ask whether can drink or not. So all is up to him. From company point of view, in order to protect the company, they will say better don't, because we are not the medicine to cure. So we cannot guarantee. So some people will say, oh, scared that, or after drink this water, then it cannot blame.
Also, at the moment, the company does have the policy that even those cancer patients doing what chemo or whatever, they are not advised to take this water just in case something happen. Is that what you're saying? Even though there's no real reason why they should not take.
In fact, we have many testimony cancer patient, they take this water and they feedback that it's good.
I see.
So what I want to say, if I'm the one, I believe in this water, then I take. Yeah. If you have doubt, for example, you are not the person, now you believe in this water, then you are willing to try. But if the person has doubt, scared, then better don't.
Okay, I have one more query. Is there any or are there many testimony for those people having suffered from long-term constipation, having improvement after drinking this type of water?
Yes, constipation is very easy. So when you wake up, drink more warm water.
How much more?
Water. When you feel comfortable, like empty stomach, you drink 500 ml, and then you don't immediately.
This must be warm lah, warm terahertz water lah.
For me, normal also can.
Because most of the people having constipation are old people, you know.
Drink warm.
Yeah.
Warm terahertz water.
Yeah.
Then you don't immediately go to take your breakfast. You just do other things first.
Maybe you drink and then go exercise lah, maybe.
Yes. Good.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, welcome.
Mr. Ting, sorry, I just interrupt a bit.
Can you louder your voice? Cannot hear.
Yeah, can you hear me right now? Can you?
Yeah, I can. Yes, I can.
I just interrupt you for a while, sir, because I have been working voluntarily in the TCM shop. Chinese doctor we practice in this way. I heard a lot of old people, they are having constipations, and the doctor always advise them drinks 2 glasses of water equivalents about 500 ml with how to say in English, I'm not that good. 大口大口
must be sipping lah. Cannot 大口口的喝啦, must slowly sip.
大口的喝.
Oh, must 大口的喝.
Yes, the first time in the morning you have to do it this way, and then it won't go to how to say stay wrong in our stomach, and it directs go to the intestine and help them up.
Oh, it's contrary to what we believe.
Yes, and then this is efficiently happens to them and having a good result feedback.
Meaning gulping down lah instead of sipping lah. Gulping. Gulping down.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is happen to all the old peoples because averagely I think 80% of them is old, about age about 40 and above one. So they come up with all these very funny symptom, which is we call it sub cases help level 亚健康. So
now one of the reasons the doctor mentioned for those people having especially old people having constipation is because the colon is not hydrated enough. So what they normally do is they give some medicine, and that medicine has a sole aim to hydrate the colon. And so a lot of people do get their constipation condition improved just by drinking that kind of so-called medicine. But then in your case, if this type of water is easily absorbed by our body, so hopefully they don't have to take the medicine. This water hopefully will do the same job by going straight down.
Yeah, even though my house every day have a lot of patients come over here to get some water for me, and some of them is a cancer patient end stage. They feel better after drinking the water. They feel better. It's not to heal them, it's they feel
just
better.
feel good.
Yes, I also teaching them by using the cooking nutritions with the water for them to drink, because most of them end stage they cannot having a very solid food, and most of like there is liquidy foods. So I have
all those have done the chemo already finished the chemo.
They don't do the chemo, and some of them is over the chemo. Some of them is not doing chemo at all because they are not accept this type of treatment. So they come and collects the water from me, and they feel better.
I see.
Instead of energy levels, they can, instead of energy levels and painful level, I'm not sure lah. They told me they will be feel better. So each time they come and collect, and some of them they told me their tumor is getting smaller. But I'm not sure. This one is just that they tell me. I tell them this water to help them to detox the body is very good, so they agree. Even though happened to my husband is a dialysis patient, I use this water to soak his leg every day, because he can't drink much. At the beginning, the doctor is not advisable to drink much water. So I use his leg to soak it with the terrace water, and the waters is one transparent. It turned out to be like we wash our rice water, we having some white colors substance out one. It will turning in this way, and this is helping to them to how to say, peeling the thick skin to make sure the skin can be breathed, helping him to keep sweating. So it's also bring good result to my husband in this way.
Actually, how bad are your husband's leg or the feet? How bad? Is it like rotting away already, or it's just not so bad?
It is rotting already, actually.
Rotting,
but now it's go back to the normal skin.
So what you do here is you use the cold terahertz water, just soak inside.
Sorry, I'm not using the cold terahertz water. I boil the terahertz water, and then I let it become warm, and I rub his
then
body.
you soak the feet inside lah.
Yes, soak his feet and rub his body. And TCM told me is under our layers of our foot they have 65 acupuncture point, and this water will help him to release his toxic body.
I see. And how long is the soaking? May I know?
It's about 2 years already.
No, I mean the soaking of the feet. Half an hour,
about
20 minutes?
Yeah. The times it depends to the water turn it to cool already, I will take it off.
So maybe like 20 minutes.
Yes.
Or maybe even 15 minutes, because the hot water will cool away very fast.
Yeah, the container you have to use is bear in mind PP5.
Sorry?
PP5, plastic grade.
Okay.
Used for
but a lot of people use the wooden type, the wooden one.
Yes, also can. Encourageable, but this one is too heavy for me to carry with the water also.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much for your tips. Because one of my friends is having similar problem like your husband's, dialysis and things like that.
And I have to tell you another good result to encourage him. For already 2 months, my husband, specialist doctors from Grand Eagles, that's is already how to say, every month he have injections of the Mishera hemoglobins dropping, and my husband is already stopped 2 months injection as his hemoglobin is at the very good level.
Oh, nice to know. Yeah. So
Yeah,
how frequent he need to do the dialysis then?
Every night, because it's a CAPD.
No, I mean a week. How many times now he does he cut down the frequency now?
You mean
Going to dialysis?
Oh no, my husband dialysis is because of his accidents, kidney failure.
Or not because of the kidney?
No, that's why he have to go for dialysis for his life already.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he cannot cut down, but others dialysis center, which is I supply water to them. Good news to help to feedback from them is some of them is already 5 years cannot pass the urine. They're starting to pass urine already. They stopped passing urines for 5 years already. That they now
Yeah, thank you very, very much.
Okay. Yeah. Hope my sharing can helping yours.
Thank you, Cameron.
Hi, good afternoon. Can I have a question?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, I just want to check with you. How do you compare your water with hydrogen, the water under the Sears company? Because I understand the Sears company, they have one that is for cancer patient costing around $18,000 to $19,000. Thank you.
What I can tell you now, you are very lucky to get to know terahertz. You only spend 4,500 and you can have a better effect than the hydrogen water, because this is the latest technology. And you not only resonate the drinking water, you can use for cooking, you can resonate any liquid. So you are very lucky, Mrs. Wong.
Okay, is there any way that you can PM me about this, because we are in the process of getting it around 18 to 19,000 for those people who don't want to get cancer. So somebody is recommending it to us.
Yeah, for where are you staying?
I stay in Klang. Can you PM me personally?
How do I know your number? I don't know. You have the introducer. Your introducer, anybody introduce you?
No. Nobody introduced. So you can just
how you know this WhatsApp, this Zoom?
Through one of the group log.
Oh, okay. Then your friend.
Okay. No. The one is dealing with hydrogen water. So never mind. Maybe you can give us your number. Then we will PM you directly.
I put in the chat group. Yeah. In fact, I
put in the chat group because after that I will get out from the chat group. Maybe you can just tell us your number now.
Wow. Okay, I'm in Singapore. +65.
Singapore.
Yes. But we have people in the Klang. My mother-in-law is in Klang. So if you want to try the water, yeah. But the first priority, you always look for your introducer, those person that who introduce you into this Zoom, because to be fair to them. But if really nobody, then you look for me. I can help you.
Okay, what's your number?
Okay, +65 9842 5529.
Angie?
Yes.
I want one question to ask. That is, if people who have gone for cancer operation recently, can they take this terrace water?
What kind of cancer? In fact, we want to put a disclaimer here. Our water is not to cure the disease.
Yeah.
Our water is to provide the healthy single molecule, so that because the patient also need to drink water, right?
Yes.
So when they drink, instead of the normal clustered water, we have a better choice is the single molecule linear water. Of course, when they drink this water, single molecule, the cell, our body cell will absorb it faster and be energized.
Yes.
This is the reason why those cancer patients go for chemo. After chemo, you know that this chemo will kill all the body cell, right? Even the
Yes.
good or the bad also being killed. So with
Yes.
drinking this water, actually we can protect the good cell, become more immune system is higher. So not easily being damaged by this chemo process.
Oh, at the moment, no chemo is given, just operation on the pancreas, on the liver, and on the bowel, and on the gallbladder to remove them. Yeah.
Aiyo.
So the thing is that at this present moment, can the I'm not asking for treatment. Can the patient take this to improve on the healing process?
Okay. For from company point of view, is say if the organ is bleeding, we suggest heal. Maybe get 1 week or 2 weeks later. Then you monitor first, because normally after operation may have some effect, follow-up effect. Then we monitor first. If it's okay already, then we start to provide this water.
Oh,
Because
okay.
don't want to be blamed later on.
Yeah,
That's the
yeah,
reason
yeah.
why.
Understand.
Yeah.
Yeah, understand.
Okay.
But can spray or not on the
can
wound?
spray, no problem. Spray.
Wound.
It's very good.
Can spray
Can spray
on the wound, no?
Can. It will heal faster lah. Heal.
Okay.
If really want to drink, is small amount lah. Then monitor. Always monitor the body effect.
Okay. Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you.
Okay.